Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to change the pin code on Signal. Also I wonder why you want to know how to change the pin code on Signal. It is because you think that someone has seen your pin code when you were applying it, or maybe you think you want to change it because it's getting too old, or maybe you just want to keep your privacy by just changing the passcode on the Signal app, or it could be any other reason for you. So, whatever the reason, it could be for you to change the pin code of Signal. In this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Signal app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all that, just simply click on the icon of the Signal app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have option almost all over the screen. Here at the top, at the middle, everywhere. At the bottom, we have only two options, chats and status. But we have to click on this option. This is the profile icon, or you could say profile picture. Just simply tap on this option and there you will see one option settings. So just simply click on it. Once you click here on the top, you will see its title settings and you will see many different options. Here every option is different from each other and performs its own task from all that. So from there what we have to do is that we have to click on this first option, accounts. Once you tap on it, you will get into accounts. On the top you will also read its title and there you will see different options. So you can see this first section, we have this first option which says change your pin. So if you want to change your pin, you just have to simply tap on this option. After that, you just have to simply enter the pin code that you wanted to create. It doesn't ask for your previous code, so that's why you don't have to enter the previous code. You just have to enter any kind of passcode that you want to add. So here what you could do is that you can use your keyboard and can enter any kind of combination of four numeric digits. But if you don't want that, you want alphabetic, then you can click on this option. After that you can choose any kind of alphabets and number, but here you have to enter at least four digits. So either you can choose the numeric digits or you can go for the alphabets. It's all up to you. Then just create a passcode of any of choice. After that again you have to enter the password that you entered to confirm it and then click on this option and then it will just take a while. After that it will successfully create pin code for your Signals app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the pin code of Signals. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.